Magtymguly Fragi, the greatest poet of Turkmenistan, has promoted diversity, peace, and harmony among people. The poet's vision is based on constructing a community with prosperity and stability in Eurasia, South Asia, and beyond. There is a strong sense of culture affinity, and we can collaborate to strengthen our cooperation in diverse fields. We have to adopt tangible dialogue regarding culture and heritage for this region to build unity in diversity. These were the remarks by Sayyid Jamal Shah, Federal Minister of National Heritage and Culture, during the Scientific and Practical International Conference, Magtymguly Fragi and Friendship of Nations in the Modern World, organized by the Embassy of Turkmenistan to Pakistan, Institute of Peace and Diplomatic Studies in collaboration with Tabani Group of Companies. In her opening remarks, Dr. Farhat Asif, President, Institute of Peace and Diplomatic Studies, highlighted the 300th birth anniversary of the great poet and said that the greatest Turkmen poet, thinker, and the man behind the vision and wisdom of today's glorious modern Turkmenistan, the great Magtymguly Fragi, the bestower of happiness of Turkmens, is a true messenger of love, unity, and peace in the world. In his welcome remarks, Atajan Molamov, ambassador of Turkmenistan to Pakistan, said that Pakistan and Turkmenistan have enjoyed a strong relationship over the year in diverse sectors. He said this event is in continuation of the 300th birth anniversary of the great Turkmen poet Magtymguly Fragi. He said that the great Turkmen poet is the true messenger of building bridges among nations. Speaking on the occasion, Professor Dr. Razia Sultan, former Vice Chancellor of Benazir Bhutto Women University, Peshawar, and member of the Public Service Commission, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, said that Magtymguly is a poet, philosopher, and more importantly, a Turkmen having vision beyond time and space, where he has written poems and shared the vision to unite the Turkmen. She added that knowledge, honesty, and bravery are the messages of Fragi. Nazraf Atabe, Chief Researcher of the Department of Turkmen Literature and Literary Relations of the Institute of Language, Literature and National Manuscripts named after Magtymguly of the Turkmenistan Academy of Sciences, said that the greatness of the Magtymguly Fragi rests on its uniqueness and the wisdom and honesty as the virtue are the asset of our nation. He further highlighted various works of Fragi that have been translated into multiple languages globally. Akramat Rajabov, Deputy Head of the Department of Creative Personnel of the Ministry of Culture of Turkmenistan, shared that as a man of ideas, philosophy, and national leader of the Turkmen people, Fragi is living in the hearts and minds of the Turkmen nation. Sayedov, the Wealth Giledi, researcher of the Department of Lexicology, Terminology, and Linguistic Culture of the Institute of Language, Literature and National Manuscripts, named after Magtymguly of the Turkmenistan Academy of Sciences. We also present on the occasion in the end, Chief Guest Sayyid Jamal Shah, Caretaker Federal Minister of National Heritage and Culture, gave shields to the people, many ambassadors, diplomats, journalists, members of the civil society, and students were present on the occasion.